morning to all. Welcome to Maths online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Today we are beginning with the topic tangents and normals. In this session we will also discuss about how to find equation of tangents and equation of normals. Let's see.
Today we are beginning with tangents and normals. In today's video we are going to introduce the terms tangents and normals, equation of tangents and equation of normal. Okay. So before introducing these tangents and normals, just recall equation of straight lines. Equation of straight lines. In class +1 we learned some equation of straight lines like 2-point form, point slope form, normal form, intercept form, etc. So here we just recall equation of straight line passing through a point x0, y0 with a slope m. Do you remember? Equation of straight line passing through a point and with a slope, that is point slope form. What is it? Yes, y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. Y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. So in this section, first we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of tangent and what is the meaning of normal. Then we will discuss about how to find equation of tangent as well as equation of normal. Suppose we have a curve. Okay, let us take y equal to f of x. Now this curve belongs to xy plane and take a point, and this point is called actually point of contact. So this is a point on the curve. Now draw a line passing through this point. So this is the line passing through this point, and this line touches the curve at this point. So this is the one and only one point touch the line to the curve, and therefore this point is called point of contact. So this is the line that also we learned in earlier classes. This line is called tangent. So this line is tangent to the curve y equal to f of x. Okay, y equal to f of x. Now through this point draw a line perpendicular to this tangent. Let's see. Okay, so this is the line perpendicular to tangent passing through this point of contact, and this line is called normal. Normal to the curve y equal to f of x. So tangent and normal. Tangent means any straight line passing through one point of the curve, and normal is any line perpendicular to this tangent. So these are the terms tangents and normals. Now see how can us find equation of tangents and equation of normals.
To find equation of tangents. See, this is a curve y equal to f of x. Let us take this point. Coordinates are x0, y0. Now this line touches this point, and therefore this line is tangent of the curve. Tangent to the curve y equal to f of x. We are going to find equation of this tangent line. Tangent to this curve y equal to f of x. Now tangent is a straight line passing through this point x0, y0. So in class +1 we already studied equation of straight line passing through a point x0, y0 having slope m. What is the equation? Y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. It is point slope form. passing through a point x0, y0 having slope m. So here m is slope of the line and m is obtained by tan theta. Recall m equal to tan theta. Now listen, what is tan theta? Suppose we have a line L, straight line L, and this line L makes an angle theta with positive x direction of this x-axis. Okay, positive x direction of this x-axis. Now, tangent of this angle or tangent of this inclination theta is actually our slope m. So, in this case, no angle is formed, and therefore, in this case, slope is considered as, please note down, slope of this tangent is considered as the first derivative of the given function. Given function is y, so its first derivative is dy by dx. So listen, suppose we have a curve y equal to f of x. In this case, slope of the tangent is always the first derivative of the given function y. So this becomes, equation becomes y minus y naught equal to, what is slope? Dy by dx at the point x naught y naught. Okay, dy by dx at the point x naught y naught into x minus x naught. Dy by dx is also same as f dash of x. So f dash of x means first derivative of the given function at a point x naught y naught is rewritten as f dash of x naught. Replacing this equation once again becomes y minus y naught equal to f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. This is the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal to f of x. Okay. Now listen, we define normal. What is normal? Normal is a straight line passing through this point x naught y naught and perpendicular to this tangent. Okay. So normal is perpendicular to tangent. Actually, tangent and normal are two straight lines or two perpendicular straight lines. So in the case of perpendicularity, we learned, suppose slope of one of the line is m1 and slope of second line is m2, and these two lines are perpendicular and therefore product of their slopes equal to minus 1. Okay. Product of the slopes equal to minus 1 if lines are perpendicular. So in this figure, normal and tangent are, so this is the line tangent. Normal and tangent are perpendicular and therefore slope of this tangent into slope of this normal gives minus 1. What is slope of tangent? Slope of tangent is f dash of x naught. Okay, so what is slope of the normal? Minus f dash of, minus 1 by f dash of x naught, because product of these two terms gives us minus 1. Okay, slope of the tangent is f dash of x naught and slope of the normal is negative of the reciprocal of f dash of x naught. Then listen, product of these two implies minus 1 and therefore equation of normal becomes, equation of normal means normal is also a straight line passing through the point x naught y naught, and therefore equation of the straight line passing through one of the point is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. See here, what is the slope? Slope of the normal, that is minus 1 by f dash of x naught. Therefore equation of normal reduces to y minus y naught equal to minus 1 by f dash of x naught into x minus x naught. So by heart these two formulae, equation of tangent line and equation of normal line to the curve y equal to f of x. The same formula, there is a slight change in the slope. In the case of tangent, slope is first derivative at the given point. In the case of normal, slope is negative reciprocal of the first derivative. Okay, let's see some examples how to find equation of normals as well as equation of tangents. This example is in your textbook example. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve y equal to x cube minus x at x equal to 2. Here we want to find what is the slope of the tangent. So slope of the tangent means first derivative. Okay, first derivative, that is the slope of the tangent. So first derivative is dy by dx. What is the derivative of y equal to x cube minus x? Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of x is 1. So dy by dx is 3x square minus x. Now we want to find slope at a point x equal to 2. So put this x equal to 2 here. So 3 into 2 square minus 1. Listen, this x equal to 2 means at x equal to 2, what is the value of dy by dx? That is the meaning. And read it as dy by dx at x equal to 2. Okay. So by putting x equal to 2, this becomes 2 square is 4. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 1 equal to 11. So slope of the tangent at a point x equal to 2 is equal to 11. Now see another example. Find the point at which the tangent to the curve y equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2 by 3. Here we want to find at which point the line is tangent to the curve y equal to root of 4x minus 3 minus 1. So at which point means we need to find what is the point of contact of this tangent line and the curve. And already given slope equal to 2 by 3. Okay, slope equal to 2 by 3. Slope means slope of the tangent, that is dy by dx is given. Now listen, find the dy by dx of this curve. Okay, what is the derivative of dy by dx? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So what is derivative of root of 4x minus 3? It is 1 by root of 4x minus 3. Root of 4x minus 3 is 4x minus 3 to the power 1 by 2. Okay. So listen, 1 by 2 into root of 4x minus 3 into derivative of 4x minus 3. Derivative of 4x minus 3 is 4. Actually this root of 4x minus 3 is 2 into 4x minus 3 the whole raised to 1 by 2. Take this denominator to numerator and therefore this becomes 1 by 2 into 4x minus 3 the power minus 1 by 2 into derivative of this 4x minus 3, 4. Now cancelling 2 and 4, this becomes 2 by root of 4x minus 3. So here no need to find this negative power, from here itself you will get the answer. Just cancelling these 2 and 4 becomes 2 by root of 4x minus 3. Okay. Now in the question it is given that slope is 2 by 3. Slope means dy by dx. So equate this value with 2 by 3. So 2 by root of 4x minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Now to remove this root, squaring on both sides. Okay. So on squaring we can see that 4 by 4x minus 3 equal to 4 by 9. Now cancel this 4 and 4, we get 1 by 4x minus 3 equal to 1 by 9, or 4x minus 3 is equal to 9. From this we get x equal to 3. Okay, x value we received. Now find what is y value. So put this x value in the given y function. Now listen, what is y when x equal to 3? Root of 4 into 3 minus 3 minus 1. 4 into 3, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. Root of 9 is 3. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So when x equal to 3, y becomes 2. So what is the point? X equal to 3, y equal to 2. That is the point 3 comma 2. Okay. So this is the method of finding the point at which tangent to the curve y has its given slope. So, okay. So the first question we discussed how to find slope of the tangent. In this question, slope is given and then find what is the point of contact. Now listen another question. Find the equation of four lines having slope 2 and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. This is another type of question. We need to find equation of all lines having slope 2, one condition, and being tangent to the curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. That means, suppose we have a curve y equal to f of x and there is a line passing through the point. Okay. So this is the tangent passing through this point x0, y0. Now listen, we can see that through this point x0, y0, there is one and only one tangent. We can draw only one and only one tangent. Now in the question it is given that having slope 2 means there are a lot of lines with the slope 2. We need to find such a lines having slope 2. At the same time, that lines are also to be tangent to this curve. Okay. Suppose there is another point. Okay, there is another point. Listen, x1, y1. Through this point also we can draw another tangent. Listen, let us take another point x2, y2. Through this point we can draw another tangent. Now listen, slope of this line is 1. Slope of this line is 1. Slope of this line is also 1. So we can say that these three lines are having same slope 1. At the same time, these three lines are passing through three different points. Okay. So we need to find equation of these three lines having same slope and also being tangent to the curve. I hope it's clear to you. We want to find equation of these three straight lines. Just an example, these three straight lines having slope 1 passing through three different points. So in this question we want to find equation of all such lines having same slope is 2. At the same time that lines are tangent to the curve. Okay. So before finding equation of lines, first we want to see these point of contacts. Because we need the straight lines are also tangent to the curve. So, okay. So, first we need to find what is the point of contacts. For this, let us start with the given function y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, take this y equal to minus 2 by x minus 3 and find its tangent. I mean slope. What is slope? Slope of the tangent equal to dy by dx. Let's see what is the first derivative. Dy by dx equal to minus 2 is constant. So minus 2 into derivative of 1 by x minus 3. What is derivative of minus 1 by x minus 3? Either you can use quotient rule or directly, what is derivative of 1 by x? Derivative of 1 by x is
what? Negative 1 by x square. Okay. Derivative of 1 by x is negative 1 by x square. So what is derivative of 1 by x minus 3? It is negative 1 by x minus 3 the whole square into derivative of x minus 3. Derivative of x minus 3 is 1. Now negative into negative, positive. So dy by dx becomes 2 by x minus 3 the whole square. Okay. 2 by x minus 3 the whole square. Now dy by dx I already said it is slope of the tangent, and in the question it is given slope equal to 2. So replace dy by dx equal to 2, that is 2 by x minus 3 whole square equal to 2. It is a p by q form, so also we can change 2 as 2 by 1, then easily we can cancel these 2, and therefore this becomes 1 by x minus 3 whole square equal to 1 by 1. Just cross multiply, or directly you can write x minus 3 the whole square equal to 1, or x minus 3 equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, taking square root on both sides. X minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 1. Now listen, when x minus 3 equal to 1 and x minus 3 equal to minus 1, because x minus 3 having two values. When it is equal to 1, x becomes 4. When it is minus 1, x becomes what? 2. Minus 1 plus 3. So we got 2 points, x equal to 2 and x equal to 4. Now listen, what is the value of y when x equal to 4, and what is the value of y when x equal to 2? So first we consider when x equal to 4. What is y? Actually y is, listen, minus 2 by x minus 3, because our function y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. Taking this 2 to other side, it is y equal to minus 2 by, put x equal to 4. 4 minus 3, that is minus 2 by 1 equal to minus 2. So when x equal to 4, y becomes minus 2. So one of the point is 4 minus 2. Okay, when x equal to 4, y equal to minus 2. So one point is 4, 2. Okay. Now when x equal to 2, when x equal to 2, y becomes, listen, y equal to minus 2 by x minus 3. It's minus 2 by 2 minus 3. It is minus 2 by minus 1, that is 2. So when x equal to 2, y equal to 2. So we have 2 points, 4 minus 2 and 2, 2. Okay. So we want to find the equation of line passing through this point having slope 2. So this is one of the equation of line, and similarly we want to find equation of line passing through 2, 2 having slope 2. Okay. So listen, in the given curve y equal to, or y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0, in this curve there are 2 points. One point is 4 minus 2 and another point is 2, 2. So we need to find the tangent line passing through this point 4 minus 2 and another tangent line passing through this point 2, 2. And also not slope of these two tangent line are same, that is 2. Okay. So one by one we are going to find equation of this tangent line. First consider this point 4 minus 2. So equation of the tangent line to the curve is y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. So y minus y naught is minus 2 equal to slope is 2. 2 into x minus x naught. X naught is 4. On simplification you can see y plus 2 equal to 2x minus 8.
Take all this term to right side. So becomes 2x minus y minus 8 minus 2 minus 10 equal to 0. 2x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. This is one of the equation. Okay. 2x minus 4. Okay. Now consider this point 2, 2. Same equation, y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Put y naught equal to 2, slope equal to 2, x minus x naught equal to 2. That is y minus 2 equal to 2x minus 4 or 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So these are the two equations of lines passing through this point 4 minus 2 and 2 2 having slope 2, and these lines are also tangent to the given curve y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0. So this is the method of finding equation of lines having slope, having given slope and also being tangent to the given curve. Okay.